Hello, my name is Alex. I'm from Ukraine. It was my big dream to work on board a cruise ship. Since 2018, I got know about this opportunity that it's possible to work on board without seafarer education as a technical fleet should do. So I started to learn English because my English level was not good enough 2018, and 2019 was a pandemic, COVID pandemic. So I continued to learn in English. I was watching films in English with and without subtitles. In 2022, I passed the interview for the position watch specialist with the company Harding Retail. But unfortunately, Russia attacked Ukraine and started the war on February 24. So I couldn't leave the country. I was with my family, and now I was able to leave the country with my wife. And by the way, I really appreciate to my wife Marina for the support and understanding, and for being okay with that. I'm going on the contract for the 7 months. Well, she understands that it's my dream, and it's actually a good opportunity to earn good money and to save money, because I'm not gonna spend money for rent and for food, and I will learn new skills and improve my English, definitely. So it's gonna be a big challenge, of course. Let's see how it was from the start. There was 2 interviews before I was approved. At first it was I applied, of course, directly on Carnival page website. I didn't say that I worked as a waiter all this time. So I actually applied for the position bar server now, bar server trainee, because in bar servers need to sell cocktails and premium beverages, and I have a good background in sales, so I can do this. Okay. I was scheduled for the pre-interview. There was interview without a human, only questions, video interview. I answered all the questions, and there were games in the end for like a cognitive tests, and I passed this pre-screen interview. And second interview was with a manager of Carnival, training manager. She asked a few questions about restaurant menu, beverages, and my favorite drinks, and about knowledge about the onboard life. I watched a lot of videos about this, so I know it's gonna be hard without day offs, work every day for 10-12 hours, but there will be benefits also. So I was approved in December, and they scheduled me at first on April 4 and then rescheduled on May 1st. So I'm gonna fly in USA tomorrow, and I'm excited. Of course, I was waiting for this for a long time. And what else? There I received this packing checklist, and here we've got clothing, needed clothes, shoes, formal, casual, trainers, sandals, toiletries, accessories, and of course the most important is documents, original of the documents. It's passports and Siemens book if required. I'm not required. Siemens book, original medical with vaccinations, very important. Original CTCW training certificates, Marlin English certificate, flight tickets, confirmation I've got flight tickets, I checked in, hotel details, US dollar currency and bank card, I got it. I have my C1D visa, actually, yeah, for 10 years to work in American waters. It's mandatory to have. And driver's license, electronics, cell phone chargers, travel adapters, laptop or tablet, and personal items, sunglasses, check. Travel toiletries, toothbrush, toothpaste, deodorant, got it, essential medications, check, and change of clothes with my hand luggage. In my hand luggage, so there will be a checked luggage. This is in checked luggage. It can be 2 suitcases up to 23 kilograms. I've got one big suitcase, 20 kilograms, and hand luggage. Here should be documents and some the most necessary things. It's gonna travel with me in the plane, on the plane. Yeah. So I'm ready for this travel, and I'm gonna make more videos about my job on board if I'm will be allowed to make videos. I will ask, of course, manager. And if you like this video, please subscribe. And if you have any questions, so leave them in the comments below. Have a nice day. Bye.